Greener playgrounds turn waste into play, transforming recycled materials into long-lasting, joyful spaces for every community. For many years, we at KOMPAN have been working with responsible practices across our supply chain and product development. We do not take shortcuts in our approach to this incredibly important aspect of design. Made green products use up to 95% post-consumer recycled waste, reducing carbon emissions. Born green products use natural hardwood like robinia, durable without chemicals, and available with FSC certification. We turn data into action. Our carbon footprint method is validated by Bureau Veritas, providing transparent insights that support responsible material choices across all our products. Greener playgrounds still deliver the wow that captivates, the play value that makes children stay, and the developmental benefits that help them grow. From text-made posts to ocean waste panels, the green material range spans across designs, sizes, and play types, making it easy to create greener spaces anywhere.